All right, guys. So today we're going to do this sort of Alan Holdsworthy kind of scale exercise. Alan Holdsworth, great player. If you've never dug into him, insane stretches, and he plays these giant intervals, and he views the neck differently than just about anyone else. There's one thing that we do have in common is kind of how we see scales. Rather than taking like a C major scale and only being able to see it, in this one little box right here, you see the entire neck of C major. Now, C major has no sharps or flats, so every natural occurring note, no matter where it is, on the neck is part of the C major scale. So let's do this little Alan Holdsworthy kind of scale exercise. We're going to play a C major scale. That means we're going to play all the natural notes, but we are going to start with the lowest note we can get on the guitar, which is an E open, but we'll start with the F here. And we're going to play the alphabet A through G, starting on F. So F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and so on, until we get as high as we can by playing 4 notes per string. It's kind of tricky fingering. You have to kind of stretch out. And I'm going to incorporate a slide movement instead of doing what Alan Holdsworth would do, which would be play, 4 different fingers, because he can stretch larger than just about anyone. But we're going to play the first 4 notes on the low E string. F, G, A, B. That's 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now we ended up on B, so on our next string we're going to go to C, because that's the next in the alphabet. F, G, A, B, C. Now on the A string here, we're going to start on C, 3rd fret, C, D, E, F. That's 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. So we have. Okay, now remember, these are all notes in the key of C major, which is actually also A minor, right? There's a video on relative majors and minors, which y'all can check out. All right, so we get up here to the F, and we're going to go down a string, because we played 4. Now we're going to go to G, right here on the D string, 5th fret. We're going to go G, A, B, C. That's 5, 7, 9, 10. So we have F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Next note will be D in the alphabet. Right here, 7th fret of the G string. D, E, F, G. We could do D, E, F, G with a little slide on the pinky. So that was 7th fret, 9th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret. Now we ended up on G, so on the next string we're going to go to A, which is right here on the 10th fret. A, B, C, D. That's 10, 12, 13, 15. Now we ended up on D, so we're going to go to E on the last string, which is at the 12th fret. And we're going to go E, F, G, A. And that's 12, 13, 15, 17. So, do it with me here. Nice and slow, like bum, 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 ready, set, play. Now we may start on F and we may end on A up here, but it's still all the natural notes. It's still the C major scale, right? It's also F Lydian, it's G Mixolydian, it's A Aeolian, it's D Dorian, it's E Phrygian, it's B Locrian. This scale is still the notes. It's still the notes of B Locrian. It's A minor. How is it all those? Because it's just all the natural notes, and D Dorian has no sharps or flats. G mixolydian has no sharps or flats. A aeolian, C major, A minor, C ionian, A aeolian. All those terms, all those names for the scales are kind of unimportant if you just know what notes are in the key that you're playing, right? And it's just a good exercise. It's just a good exercise. So once you get it, put your metronome on, and you can go, rewind this video, go through it a couple times, walk through that scale, kind of get used to it, right? And even if you don't know that all these notes are where they are, just learn this pattern and then run through it like this. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That'll give you something kind of to work on, right? All right. We'll check you guys next time.